If you've been using your Nintendo Switch 2 inches handheld mode, you might notice that some games don't feel as smooth or sharp as they do when the console is docked. That's because handheld mode typically balances performance and battery life differently. However, with the introduction of Handheld Mode Boost, you can push your device to deliver better performance even when you're playing on the go. The catch is that this feature isn't always obvious, and many users don't realize it needs to be turned on manually or adjusted within settings. Once enabled, it can improve frame rates and overall responsiveness, making your gameplay feel much closer to the docked experience. The process is simple once you know where to look, and it only takes a few moments to activate. Try these. Step 1. Power on your Nintendo Switch 2 and go to the Home menu. Step 2. Select System Settings from the menu options. Step 3. Scroll down and open the System or Performance Settings section. Step 4. Look for Handheld Mode Boost or a similar performance option. Step 5. Toggle the setting on to enable enhanced handheld performance. Step 6. Confirm any prompts, and be aware, this may slightly reduce battery life.